Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. What I got here is a backpack. And why, you might ask yourself? Well, a while ago on my stream, which is linked up here, I talked about having a go bag in my car for mobile radio so I can operate when I have time. This is it. What's inside? Well, hang on after the intro and we'll open her up. For starters, let's start with the outside pocket here. Got a couple of small things. Actually, I got one small thing in here. It's a power supply for my Surface Go, which is an excellent computer for portable operating. I'll get back to that computer in a separate video. Moving on to the first outer inside pocket here. Just got a couple of accessories here. We got the Dude's bike with a set of radials in case I'm not able to operate from the top of my car, or there might be a soda spot or a POTA spot nearby that might require a small hike. Then I can put this into the ground and mount a vertical with a 3/4 inch 24 thread on top of that, such as the MFJ 1979 or Mobile Whip, a hamstick. Besides that, got a short piece of coax here. PL259 on one end and BNC on the other end, in case I need to connect, say, the QDX to an amplifier. Let's close this up. And now to the next room here, the big room. Let's see what we got here. Let's take the main compartment first. Right in here, you've seen this in a lot of my videos. The Hard Rock 50 amplifier. It's a 50 watt QRP amplifier. And it's able to PTT by RF sensing, and it's got a built-in tuner. So that's been a lifesaver on plenty of portable activations and operations for me. Further on, if I only do digital, let's empty this little room here. If I only do digital, I got the QRP Labs QDX here. 5 watt QRP digital mode transceiver. Works really well. Featured in a lot of my other videos. Also the mobile operating videos. You can see the playlist up here. Which runs up 9 volts. I got a buck converter here. Standard 12 volt power poles and 9 volts into the radio. And for connection to the computer, I got a standard USB cable here. Just wrapped it a couple of times around a toroid here to prevent any RF issues. But what if I don't want to do FT8? Well, I guess plenty of you guys are able to read upside down. So I'll take this out here and open it up. Here I got my Yaesu FT817. All mode, all band. Lifesaver when operating portable. Built like a tank, so you can pretty much use it in any weather, any condition. It'll just work. Further on, in this little room, should I decide not to use the amplifier, I got a separate Elecraft T1 tuner here. Runs off of a 9 volt battery, and yeah, it just works. I got a small battery pack, 12 volt jump starter here for QRP operations. And I got one of these power meters. You've seen them all over YouTube. You've seen them all over the internet. They're a lifesaver. I'll put a link down below to a couple of these products so you can check them out yourself. This has been a definite lifesaver for me. It lets you monitor your battery voltage. how many amp hours you've used, and the power draw, everything pretty much. So let's move the backpack a little bit over to the side here. We got a couple of compartments here. This one got some power cables, power poles on them. Have a 4-port WinCamp power distro for power poles. This is also a lifesaver when you need to connect more than one device to your battery power supply and such. And I got a charger for that small jump starter battery pack. Also, a set of adapters here from SO to PL to BNC, just in case you'd need some. And in this pocket over here, I got a USB-C to USB-A cable. And just in case I need to charge something, I have this 3-in-1 charging cable, which has a lightning connector, micro USB, and a USB connector. Lets me charge my devices on the go should I need it. So let's zip this up and check the last pocket of it. And the backpack itself is a cheap camera backpack I got several years ago. It's been a trusty companion when I did a lot of photography, and now it's repurposed for ham radio. Let's flip the backpack up and see what's in the last pocket here. In the back here, I got a length of coax. I think it's about 5 meters in case I should need some more coax. And I have the Surface Go 2. And that's pretty much all I need, because in the car I have some antennas, some ham sticks, and the MFJ 1979. I got a mag mount. I got a 2-meter radio in the car. And not least, I got a decent sized battery in the car to operate all of this. So in case the small battery is not enough, and trust me, it's not enough if you're using the amplifier, but it is enough for QRP, then I got a bigger battery. And that's it. Is there anything you guys think I should have in here? Have I packed too much, too little, used the wrong kind of equipment? Please do let me know down in the comments. And please do like, comment, and subscribe anyway. And until next time, 7-3.